Hello everyone, this is Christy, and today I want to show you how you can locate your MailChimp API key. If you want to integrate your application or website with MailChimp, you need to connect it with the API key. So they have a section in your account where you can find the API key or generate a new one, and you can actually generate more API keys for the various applications you need. So I'm just going to show you how to find the API key. When you go to your MailChimp account, you have your account section in the top right there and next to your icon, and then if you click on that drop down, you have the profile section. If you click on the profile section, you will see all your account details and login email and username, and there is an extras menu there at the top there. So click on the extras and you have API keys. If you click on this, you will see that you can see your existing keys or you can generate a new key. So you just have to click on create a key, and then MailChimp is going to create a key for you, and it's going to have who created it, the date it was added, and of course the key on the top on the right there. So you can just copy that and use it in your application. You can also turn it off so that you can disable it so that people don't, if you've given it somewhere on a website you no longer control, you can disable this key, or I think you can also completely delete it after you no longer need it. So yeah, so this is where you find your API key. I hope this helped.